I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Doron Barness. He is the Global Head of Equities Trading and Cash Distribution at Oppenheimer Co. Doron, it's so wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
I love being here with you, Judy. This is an honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So now, you were just up on that podium ringing the opening bell with Oppenheimer. So tell me, why today?
What an exciting day with Bud Lowenthal, our CEO and chairman up there, and Rob Lowenthal, president and head of investment banking. But the whole crew, the colleagues on the floor cheering is very special. We are a collegial group, a really tight-knit group, a family feel, if you will, and that really comes out on a day like today. But look, Joan Curry, our chief marketing officer, in conjunction with Bud and Rob and the whole firm, relaunched a brand campaign, and that's the Power of Oppenheimer Thinking. So we're here to celebrate that. 140 years of history, celebrating that Power of Oppenheimer Thinking, that is the lead brand initiative. And we've been doing it now for a little bit, so you can't get better than being here and doing that.
Doron, tell me about Oppenheimer and your business.
So we're a global financial firm with three core businesses: wealth management, investment banking, and our capital markets business. Our second business, our investment banking business, has a really strong foothold in the middle markets arena. We help in M&A, debt, and capital work. And so it's pretty great to see. We feel like we are aligned very well to be successful with our clients, raising capital in the private and public markets in the investment banking. And then the third is the capital markets business, which is our sales and trading business, research advisory, corporate access, and our fixed income division. That's where we sit. We collaborate, all of us, to help the two businesses, private wealth, the wealth management, and investment banking, collectively, collaboratively, to give our clients the best initiative.
Okay. And given your role as the global head of trading and cash equities distribution, tell me, what do you see in the markets right now?
So I'm in a very lucky seat. I get to talk to our advisors, but I get to talk to our institutional clients. And obviously this year has been very, very tricky. We are in the current year-end dynamic of the equity markets. Bonds have not acted great, another failed year in bonds. And at the beginning of the year, everyone felt that was a good area to be, and they were underweight equities. Surprisingly, equities acted great. We had the Silicon Valley situation, we have inflation concerns, the Fed, rates, and rates continue to be the focus for investors and will be for the rest of the year and the start of 2024. I think that, really challenging is you've got the equities market where you have performance and everyone's going to hang on to that performance. So like we mentioned early in the year, first half of the year, equities performance strong. But those participants are just staying on the sidelines now. The institutions are just waiting, hanging on. The hedge funds have been very active in the last 2-3 weeks since the Fed last spoke. The narrative of the Fed, the cautious tone of the Fed, people still wondering about inflation, the data that we're getting on the economy, and now we have a geopolitical spin. So it makes it really prudent to be sitting in 5% on the cash on the sidelines, and that is giving people a safe return until we get more clarity, and we're jumping right into earnings right now, which will catapult us in the end of the year.
Okay, all right. Well, Doron, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thanks for having me.